The name of God is meant to emulate the essentialness of life in our own breathing. Without God, you cannot exist. He is the breath of life. It's that essential. I just want you to understand, this is the God that we come to worship. This is the God that we pray to. This is the God that wants to enter into a relationship with you and I. He's not a small God. He is not in the same league of all the other gods. He doesn't fit into any of our categories. He's in the bush and he's fire and he doesn't consume the bush. How is that possible? Because he doesn't fit into our categories. He's outside of that. He is creator. Everything in this universe is held together by the power of his word. Without his word, everything disintegrates and falls apart. If that is the case, how do you think you can live your life without him?